I just built an advanced phone, video, and chat system in under 10 minutes, and it didn't even cost me one dime to get started. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly the step-by-step process I took to do this and share all of the details on how you can replicate the same setup for absolutely free. No credit card or anything like that even required to get started. So to get started, I used the free 2-month trial of 3CX Hosted Pro. This allowed me to supercharge my sales team up to 750 members worldwide. Stick around because I'm gonna show you the ins and outs of this robust system and how you can deploy it for free. So let me get exactly to the point on what exactly is 3CX Hosted Pro and all the features that come with it. So imagine a phone system that's so versatile, it's a choice of global leaders like Mercedes and Coca-Cola. But it's not only for the big guns, even dynamic remote teams like mine are able to use 3CX and its scalability. Whether you're bootstrapping a startup, steering a multinational corporation, 3CX has a tailored, budget-friendly plan for you. So diving into one of the features that I love the most is I got to keep my number. I've been using this same number for years. A lot of my contacts and a lot of my clients have this number, but I was able to build and integrate it into my entire hosted system. So when you take the feature of keeping your own number and blend it into the power of a SIP trunk, you've got yourself a direct line to cost-effective, scalable, and top-notch communication. It's about empowering your business with the flexibility to soar to new heights without a technical constraints. So if you're like me, you're probably wondering what exactly is a SIP trunk? And the easiest explanation that I could come up with is a SIP trunk is kind of like the digital version of a traditional phone line. To make this a little bit easier, just think of the analogy of a highway. Imagine the old-fashioned telephone lines as small roads that connect your home or business to the rest of the world. Each road or line can only handle one car or call at a time. If you want to have multiple calls simultaneously, you need multiple roads, which can be expensive and take up a ton of space. Now, think of a SIP trunk as a multi-lane superhighway. This highway is part of the internet, and instead of cars, it carries digital information packets. These packets contain voice, video, chat, and other forms of communication. The SIP trunk highway is much more efficient because it can handle thousands and thousands of different calls all at the same time, all traveling in their own separate lanes. You can scale up or down by adding more lanes to the highway if you need to handle more traffic, which is much simpler and cost-effective than building more roads. So in summary, a SIP trunk is like a high-capacity highway for your communications, allowing you to have many conversations at once over a single digital connection. So let's get into the main core features of why I actually love this product and why it's probably going to be a good fit no matter what stage you're at for building your communication system from anywhere in the world. That was one of the requirements that I absolutely needed. Was I have a sales team all around the world on different time zones in different locations with different internet connections, and I needed a system that was going to work for all of these things and all of these factors. So one of the things that I absolutely loved, and this was the game changer and kind of the deciding factor for choosing 3CX, is it's just one annual fee. You don't have to pay per user per month, or there's none of these hidden costs to scale up or to scale down for your business. And the other thing that I absolutely loved is the maintenance fees are all taken care of by 3CX. So you really don't have to worry about any of those hidden costs. And again, you can get inside for 2 months with their free trial, make sure the system's working for you before going ahead and committing to that annual fee. So in addition to all those great features, the perks just keep rolling in. Expect advanced features, effortless scalability, and insightful real-time monitoring. And then there's really in-depth reports that cut through the noise. And the icing on the cake, zero maintenance for you. You'll command the software side of things while 3CX takes care of the back end. Plus, with intuitive mobile apps, your business communications are as mobile as you are, available anytime, anywhere. And honestly, guys, I could spend hours going over all the perks and features. Let me just list off a few of my favorite aspects of using the software. And I've been using it for the past month, so I've been able to dive really deep. And here's a rapid fire of the features that I absolutely love. So one of the features that I love the most was it's super easy to migrate over to 3CX. And if you're currently running on a competitor solution, you can basically get started for free to see if it's going to be an easy transition for you. So the other thing is time savings. I avoided spending so much time and money monitoring my site using the PBX system. And then lastly, the cost savings. There's no per user monthly fees. There's just one single yearly cost based on system size. The other thing is there's real-time monitoring and reports for the entire system. There's no need to physically store and maintain any PBX equipment. Everything everything is in the cloud. And last but not least, they have an iOS and Android app, so you can access everything in your 3CX account from anywhere, anytime. So in conclusion, 3CX can help you get started in under 10 minutes. And I'm gonna show some details here on how you can take action to get that free 2-month trial. No credit card required at all, and you can figure out which plan's gonna work best for your solution.